Does your charging routine look something like this with your iPhone?
Hey folks, are you having trouble charging your iPhone? Let me show you the quick way to repair the charge port in your iPhone.
Generally, when your power cable is loose like this, it's because there's something blocking it from plugging in all the way. So we need to get that debris or a pocket lint, whatever it is, out. So we'll take a pair of sharp tweezers and we're going to dig into the bottom as far as we can dig in, and we're going to pull that debris blocking the charge port from plugging in properly. Once everything's out, get a toothbrush and clean up the port real quick, and then plug in your cable and make sure that it's seated all the way into the port. You'll see right here it's charging now. All right, there you can see that's all the stuff that we dug out of that charge port.
Now you may be worried about sticking some tweezers up inside the charge port, so I'll just go ahead and show you. Right here is the charge port. As you can see, they're completely concealed. So there is on the very bottom side right here are teeth, and that's what connects to your charge port. So you want to make sure that you don't hit these teeth on the bottom, that you keep your tweezers kind of at the top like that and dig all that stuff out. And once all that's dug out, cable should plug in just fine, and now it's charging. All right, there you go. That's the quick and easy way to fix the charge port on an iPhone. That's the most common problem there is with them. Sometimes they have to be replaced, but most of the time it's just they need to be cleaned. See you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. It's free. Hook a brother up. It helps me out a bunch, and I'd really appreciate it. Y'all have a good day.